Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget and I love to try to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. And one of the ways I do that is by budget home decor shopping. And in today's video, we are going to go thrifting. You guys know I love going on a good thrift store hunt. And before I go, I always look through my favorite stores like CB2, Pottery Barn, William and Sonoma, just to get an idea on what they're doing for fall or for any holiday really. Once I have that inspiration, I go out thrifting to see if I could find something similar to give me that luxe look for less. You guys know my channel is all about how to get the luxe look for less. And part of that is by buying things when they're on sale, on clearance, budget decorating, and thrifting. So let's go to the thrift store. Okay, hold on. Before we go to the thrift store, let me show you some of the pieces that we are going to look for, our inspiration, you could say, or the reason why we're going out thrifting. So let me show you some of those things. All right, so one of the first things I love to do is go to my favorite stores, as I said, to look for inspiration. And one of those stores is Crate and Barrel. So Crate and Barrel is using a lot of warm amber tones in their fall decor this year. And this particular vase also caught my eye. It looks like something that could be DIY'd. So when we go to the thrift store, I'm going to be looking for glass pieces similar to those. Also, I love these candles. I believe I showed you a set of these candles earlier in the year that I picked up from Amazon. I also love this leaf. I want to try to find something that we can DIY to replicate that, as well as some other items. I love the color of this pillow, so we might be going to Amazon to look for a dupe for that. Yeah, just a lot of things that spark my interest and give me inspiration. So those are some items that we're going to look for, as well as I've been loving these items that I've seen on West Elm. There were these really pretty green candle holders. Let me see if I can find them and show them to you. And here they are. These are so nice. You guys know I like green, so I'm going to try to incorporate these as well. So while we are out thrifting, I'm going to see if we can find, I don't know, a couple of pieces maybe to put something together to look similar to these pieces because I absolutely love them. So now let's shoot off to the Goodwill to see what we can find. There was a very large collection of little African American figurines. So cute. I guess someone decided they no longer needed their collection, so they donated it to the Goodwill. I thought about it, but it's not really anything I would use in my home, so I did leave it in the store. Although I do know a lot of people collect that type of thing. This vase I saw, I thought it might make a good DIY. We could paint it. Certainly not the color we want, but for $1.99, it would make a perfect upcycle. So we're just going to continue looking along. When you're at the Goodwill, it's really hunt and peck, hunt and peck. So we're just going to keep looking. I'm also on the lookout for some candle holders that we could possibly use for the holiday. You guys know I'm always looking for a good candle holder, whether it be brassy gold or mercury glass and color. This I thought might make a good DIY, but I did also pass it up as well. Today wasn't really a good day. I mean, they had some things, but really not a lot of things. But I did pick up a few things, as you can see here in my cart. So we're still looking. and I'm just gonna let you, oh, I did find this. You guys know I love green. I thought maybe I might pick that up. I don't remember if I picked that up or not. Some obsess about things. Then I saw these pieces and I thought, okay, jackpot. These look very similar to the ones that I saw at West Elm, and best of all, the price is just right. This green piece has really good bones, and for $2.99 I did consider picking it up because originally it was from Home Goods, but I did leave that in store. Alright guys, so as you saw, there was not a lot of stuff at the thrift store, but that's how it is. Some days you find a lot of things and other days you don't. However, I did find a few things that I did want to share with you guys. I think would be perfect to use to decorate for fall. So we're going to start off with this foil ribbon. You guys know I am bringing in the warm brassy tones for fall, and I found this, and how much were you? It was only 99 cents, so I thought we could use this as a good DIY. We could turn these into napkin rings. We could do a DIY with a vase. There's so many things that we could do with this ribbon, and it's quite a bit. And for 99 cents, I thought it was a very good buy. And then the next thing that I picked up that I was excited to find, and they were really inexpensive, were these little wooden candle holders. Now, I can show you this. Can you see? Let's see. These little wooden candle holders. Okay. So these reminded me of some candle holders that I saw at CB2. Those were marble, and I will put up a photo here or here, probably here. Those were marble, but I thought these look very similar in shape and color, although I probably will not leave them this color. But look at that, very, very nice. Again, similar to our piece from CB2. And best of all, these were 99 cents. Can you see that? 99 cents a piece. And I got three, a large, let's do it this way. A large one, a kind of medium, and a small. But again, I thought these were really, really nice and would be perfect to use for fall, especially with, you know, the warm wood tones. We could sand these down, we could paint them, we could do so much. We could make them a faux marble. Oh my gosh, so many wonderful DIYs we could do with these, and you guys know I love a good DIY. Now the next thing I found were these cute little wheat plates. Now this, I was interested to find out, to see how much these little wheat plates were. So I Googled them and across an interesting story about these little wheat plates. So apparently these little wheat plates are from the 1950s, and they used to come in a Tide box. So they were inexpensive collectibles, but at the time, you know, 1950s, I'm sure a box, I don't think it was Tide, but it was just like a soap powder, or I don't know, some type of powder, dish powder in a box. And these would come in there. It was a whole set. So it was the salad plate, the dinner plate, cups, saucers, like the whole thing, like came in a Tide or a detergent box. Like, how did they do that? But anyway, people would collect these, and on the back, the name is Golden Wheat. So as I said, I just wanted to see how much these were. So people are selling these on Etsy and Amazon for around $5 or $6 a plate, and I picked these up for 59 cents a piece. Now there was a set there, and at the time I didn't realize that they were kind of a collector's item, and I only wanted these because I felt like I could create a really pretty beautiful tablescape with these, but just look at that, the little wheat, oh my gosh. And I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a gold detail around them. So I just thought these were really, really nice and would be pretty to decorate a fall table. So again, I picked up only a set of 6, but I think I'm gonna go back to the Goodwill and see if the other sets of dishes are still there, but I thought these were so, so pretty. And then the last thing that I picked up from the Goodwill, I saw these and I thought, oh my gosh, these are perfect. They're so similar to the ones that we saw at West Elm. And it's these little babies. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So, so pretty. And so best of all, this large one was $2.99. And then these smaller ones were $1.99 a piece. But just look at these. Oh my gosh, so, so pretty. And very similar, as I said, again, to the ones at West Elm. The ones at West Elm were a different shape, but they did have, like one of them had a top and a bottom. So I thought this particular piece mimicked that very well. As far as the color is very similar. But again, for $2.99, I could not pass them up. Although I did debate, Sheryl, you don't need those. You're just collecting stuff. You're becoming a hoarder, as my boyfriend likes to call me. And so I had them in my cart and I put them back. And then I walked around the store and I just kept thinking about them. And I'm thinking, Sheryl, if you don't get them, you're going to be thinking about them. And the price, you cannot leave them in the store because of the price. So I kept walking around the store and eventually I went back and I did put these in my cart. So I think these would be perfect to use in my home for the fall and Thanksgiving holiday. So leave me a comment down below. Would you guys have picked these up or would you have left these in the store? I'm probably not going to use them all the time, so they'll just be sitting on the shelf after the holiday. And that's another thing my boyfriend keeps telling me. I pick up stuff, but I don't use it all the time. So would you have picked this up or would you have left it in the store? Leave me a comment down below. I would love to know. So guys, that is everything that we picked up with this thrift with me. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If so, please give the video a thumbs up. I'd like to bring you home decor, decorating inspiration on a budget to show you that you don't always have to go out and buy new things. Sometimes you can thrift things to get the luxe look for less, and it's going to be similar to items that you see in your favorite decor stores. For example, these. So I hope this video has inspired you in your home decorating, and if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell and become a member of the iStyle family. I would so love to have you. So in my next video, we are going to be decorating for Halloween. I know you guys said you don't really care for Halloween, but again, this is not your typical scary Halloween. This is a more glam, elegant type of Halloween. Similar, so we're going to be going for a similar vibe to this one from CB2. Just look at this. Oh my gosh, it is so high-end, so luxe. So that is our inspiration. That's what we're going to be decorating for Halloween. So if you are interested in that type of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that upcoming video. Again, it's going to be very tasteful, nothing spooky, nothing, you know, out of the ordinary. It's just something that would be really nice. Let's say a high-end, elegant Halloween decor party. Not decor party. A very high-end, elegant Halloween dinner. So that's the vibe that we're going for. So if you're interested in decorating for Halloween with style, on a budget, not the scary spooky, just glam and elegant, then this is the channel for you. It won't be a lot of Halloween decorating videos. It's just going to be, I'm going to be decorating here in my lounge and I'm going to show you a tablescape. So if that is something you're interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next one.